Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Web Design Surface. This time we're going to see how to handle images, and, as promised, Surface is pretty good at it. Let's check it out. There are 4 ways to handle images on Surface. Number 1. Go anywhere online and look for something, let's say Darth Vader. Pick an image you like, right-click on it, copy the image address, paste it to the surface. Ctrl-V. Simple as that. And you can do the same for Mickey Mouse, Donald Trump, right-click and copy the image address, paste it to the surface, Britney Spears, or whatever you fancy. And if on top of that you want to add an artichoke and 2 bananas, well, help yourself, it's on the surface. And when everything is done, we can just press the red button, make public, yes indeed. And our creation is now available to the entire world. Nevertheless, we generated the clean HTML behind our work, which can be copied and pasted into geeky tools like CodePen or any other website on the planet, including your one. Number 2. Go anywhere online, take a screenshot, and paste it to the surface. And here where things get interesting, because you can search for the Millennium Falcon or the New York Times. Go to the main page and take a screenshot of that. And guess what? You paste it to the surface. Then you can do the same for the Times. And we can immediately tell that the New York Times is a bit more flexible in terms of limited or unlimited access. You can do the same for an Italian newspaper and compare it to a French newspaper. Anything from football to box. You can check how does it look, the TikTok page of Binley Mega Chippy, and paste it to the surface, versus Instagram Binley Mega Chippy. You can check PewDiePie versus the glorious homepage of cyberzenno on YouTube. I can immediately tell that PewDiePie has got way more videos published than cyberzenno, and last but not least, you can even add a banana on top of this. Or many. Included but not limited to potatoes and aubergines. We can go on like that forever, but now we are going to see what's next. Number 3. Drag and drop any image from your computer, included but not limited to your selfies, food, friends, travels, your art, or of course anything you fancy. And this can lead us to number 4, which is the most boring way of uploading images, which is by using the file browser. Go on the cloud, you click upload images, you browse of folders, you scroll down, you select your images, and you press open. And you can upload your sunsets. And all of this can be made public with the entire world by just clicking this little red button. You want to make public? Yes, indeed. And now our beautiful creation is available to family, friends and neighbors, and why not the entire World Wide Web. And nevertheless, we also generate the clean HTML which we can copy and paste into geeky tools like CodePen or any website on the planet, including your one. Alright, we got it. We can upload a really hack load of images. But then, is there anything else that we can do with it? To understand that, let's go back to the very beginning. We've got Darth Vader, Mickey Mouse, Donald Trump and Britney Spears. But once we pick an image, what can we do with it? Well, we can move it, we can size it, we can crop it, and we can style it. Let's do it again. We can move it, we can size it, we can crop it, and we can style it. We can move it, we can size it, we can crop it, and we can style it. Did you get it? We can move it, we can size it, we can crop it, and we can style it. You can move and you can size it, you can crop, you can style it, you can move and you can size it, you can crop, you can style it, you can move and you can size it, you can crop, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it. Alright. The only thing I can tell you right now is
You can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can
and thanks for watching.
size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it, you can size it, you can crop it, you can style it, you can move it.
Okay. That should do.